Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 24th, 2025, and we're diving into Comcast's latest earnings report for the first quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Comcast's performance, especially given the dynamic environment in the media and technology sectors.
Absolutely. Comcast has just released their Q1 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Comcast reported a revenue of $29.9 billion for the first quarter, which is slightly down by 0.6% compared to last year. John, what are your thoughts on this?
While the revenue saw a slight decline, Comcast's profitability metrics tell a different story. The company achieved an adjusted EPS of $1.09, which is a 4.5% increase from the previous year and above the analyst forecast of 98. This indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management.
That's impressive. And what about their free cash flow?
Comcast generated $5.4 billion in free cash flow, a significant 19.4% increase. This robust cash flow allows them to invest in growth initiatives and return capital to shareholders, which they did by repurchasing shares and paying dividends totaling $3.2 billion.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. John, let's delve into Comcast's segment performance. How did their different business units fare this quarter?
Comcast's Connectivity and Platforms segment saw a 4.1% revenue growth driven by domestic broadband and wireless services. Media EBITDA surged by 21%, largely due to Peacock's performance. However, theme parks experienced a 5.2% revenue decline, impacted by lower attendance and pre-opening costs for Epic Universe in Orlando, which is set to open next month.
It seems like Comcast is making strategic investments in their theme parks. What can you tell us about their plans?
Indeed, they are. The upcoming Epic Universe in Orlando is a major project, and they have also announced plans for a new theme park in the UK. These initiatives are part of their strategy to expand their footprint in the entertainment sector.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operational efficiency seems to be a key theme for Comcast this quarter. Can you elaborate on their cost management and future outlook?
Comcast's adjusted EBITDA increased by 1.9% to $9.5 billion, reflecting their focus on cost control and operational efficiencies. They reduced capital expenditures by 14% to $2.3 billion, which is a strategic move to optimize spending. CEO Brian Roberts expressed confidence in their ability to navigate the evolving environment and capture future opportunities thanks to their diversified business model and strong cash flow generation.
That's encouraging to hear. It seems like Comcast is well prepared to tackle future challenges. EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's talk about the EPS forecast. Analysts were expecting an EPS of 98 cents, but Comcast delivered $1.09. What does this tell us?
This is a significant beat, with the actual adjusted EPS coming in 11.2% above the forecast. It highlights Comcast's ability to exceed market expectations, driven by their strong performance across key segments and effective cost management strategies.
With 7 analysts covering the stock, this beat certainly positions Comcast favorably in the eyes of investors.
Absolutely. It reinforces investor confidence in Comcast's strategic direction and operational execution.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Comcast's Q1 2025 results showcase a company that is not only managing its current operations effectively, but also investing in future growth. With strong financial metrics and strategic initiatives, Comcast appears well-positioned for continued success.
Indeed, Comcast's ability to beat EPS expectations and generate substantial free cash flow is commendable. Their focus on expanding their theme parks and enhancing connectivity services bodes well for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Comcast's performance in the comments below.